Alright, so today the issue we're having with the hydro container is the container itself was fucking blue. We didn't get a choice on the color of the container, so it showed up as dark blue color. The problem is when it gets sunny, obviously that dark blue, absorbs a lot of sunlight and a lot of heat. So what we're doing is painting it white, which should help considerably. Well, we painted it yesterday and it rained a little bit, but for the most part the paint stayed on. And I can already tell we haven't painted all of it, but when I go down there and touch the metal down there, it's warm to the touch. It's 45 degrees out, it's a little sunny. It hasn't been sunny this morning, but a little sunny, so it's warm to the touch. And then when I touch the white, it's obviously cool, I would say. Not as cool as the side that's not in the sun, but again, significantly better. So it's clearly working. But so that's what we're doing, painting all that side. This side we're painting the top, and then we're painting the back side over there. We're not painting the north facing side because the sun doesn't really get there. Maybe we will later, but that's not a priority. Get everything else painted white first. But it's already made a big difference. I can tell on the temperature, the ambient temperature inside the container, it is staying much cooler in there. So again, this is one, maybe two coats of paint in some places, but so already a huge difference that I'm really happy with. So yeah, and then we're putting some insulation in there too, on like the top and the sides. Again, is another way just to help to keep the heat out, and then when in the winter I'm trying to keep the heat in. I'll take a video of that as well. But yeah, that's what we're doing today, and again, man, it's already made a huge fucking difference. I'm really happy with it. Here is the temperature data from inside the container. As you can see, this was before we had it painted. It would peak at 78, and this is kind of similar to ambient temps of 40, 50, maybe low 60s. It's sunny outside. We painted. I have the AC set to 62, and as you can see, it doesn't really go above that. So that's 24 hours. So as you can see, the AC probably kicks on, comes down. So worked out pretty well.